Fix or replace. Signs it may be time to replace your air conditioner. Are you finding it difficult to keep cool during the hot summer days? Your AC might be the problem. Here are a few signs that it may be time to replace your AC. As AC units age, they become prone to frequent breakdowns. If yours is over 10 years old, it might be time to upgrade. If you find yourself calling for repairs frequently, it could be a sign that your AC is on its last legs. If your energy bills are higher than normal, you may need a new AC unit. Older air conditioners tend to become less efficient and consume more energy. If you're experiencing any of these signs, it's time to consider upgrading your AC. Reach out to Wise Guys Heating and Cooling in Cypress, Texas at 713-360-2413 for expert AC installation services.